You don't always have to have money to start a small business. This video will prove to you how that is possible. Stay tuned as I unravel how to start a small business with no money. According to Business Magnate Richard Branson, great ventures start from small beginnings, and that includes your small business. But how do you start small with no money, given that the U.S. Small Business Administration estimates the average startup costs for microbusinesses to be $3,000? Well, I'm going to share with you some fantastic ideas to start you off. Ordinarily, you have two options when it comes to starting a small business with zero cash. You can explore financing options like crowdfunding, government grants, and loans, or even borrow from friends. However, I'm not talking about this approach. On the contrary, I'm talking about going into a business with no money at all, so your startup cost is zero. But before we can look at these fantastic ideas, let me share with you essential steps for arriving at the right business idea. But before then, if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this one. Also, get your gift in the description below. You'll find excellent resources that will change your life from good to the life you deserve. Now, here are essential steps for developing your perfect small business idea with no money. Step 1. Know your skills. What are your expertise? Do you have specific hobbies or talents? Once you figure them out, write them down. Step 2. Arrange them based on passion. After listing your skills, arrange them according to how passionate you are. Start with the ones you are most passionate about to the least. Step 3. Choose your top 3. You'll likely have more than 3 skills on your list, but since you can't pursue them all, only pick the top 3 before moving to the next step. Step 4. Brainstorm around them. Considering that you have your top 3 passionate skills, spend about 30 minutes on each to develop relevant business ideas. Remember to note what you come up with. Step 5. Gather more information online. If you can't think of creative business ideas, use the power of the internet. Go online and search for profitable business ideas around your skill set. Step 6. Narrow down your options. Since you are likely to come up with so many business ideas after brainstorming and online research, pick the ones that require no money to start. It's advisable to start with 1 or 2 ideas. Step 7. Create a business plan. Now that you have 1 or 2 fantastic business ideas that require no investment, it's time that you act professionally by creating a business plan. There are so many business plan templates online you can use to create your perfect business plan. Step 8. Start the business. Lastly, start your business as soon as possible. Since you don't need money to get started, you only need some spare time to launch it. Now, let me share with you 10 intelligent ideas to inspire you. How to start a small business with no money in 10 ways. Number 1. Concierge service business. If you stay in an affluent neighborhood, you should take advantage of the opportunities that exist there and set up a concierge service business. Many affluent homeowners want someone on call who can run errands, make bookings and appointments, do laundry, among many other chores. While the chores may be tedious for them, they are an opportunity for you to make money. Starting a concierge business allows you to work more like a freelancer personal assistant. But since you are never on a contract, you get to work with multiple clients in your free time. Overall, this is the type of small business you can run part-time or on the weekends if you are in full-time employment. Number 2. Pet businesses. Your love for animals, especially dogs, is a money-making opportunity in waiting, so you have to leverage that opportunity. The good news is there are so many business opportunities to pursue in this area. For one, you can walk dogs or watch over pets at your place, known as pet sitting. These jobs can earn up to $20 an hour, and you can get clients on Rover, Care.com, Trusted House Sitters, and Craigslist. You can also offer pet grooming or dog training services in your neighborhood. And if you have some veterinary knowledge and experience, you can provide veterinary services. Number 3, a blogging business. If you are passionate or knowledgeable in a specific discipline and not afraid of writing, you should consider starting a blog. You only need a little bit of investment to set one up. For example, Bluehost hosts you at a monthly cost of $2.95, and you enjoy a free domain for the first year. Check out the Bluehost latest offer in the description below. But still, you can set up a free blog on Medium, Blogger.com, or LinkedIn. You may not earn with ads on a free blog as you do on a paid blog, but you can always make money through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote products using affiliate links and earn commissions from qualified purchases. Number 4, a YouTube channel. Do you often wonder why some people spend their valuable time posting on YouTube? While some do it for fame, the majority do it for the money. Like blogging, YouTube allows you to earn through affiliate marketing and paid ads, but still, you can sell products directly by directing your viewership at your store. With YouTube, launching a channel is free, and you don't need a special camera to start recording. I know of people who create videos using their smartphones or laptop webcams. A few others do not create any videos but compile existing ones and are still making a killing. Number 5, an affiliate marketing business. Though I mentioned affiliate marketing as a monetization approach for your YouTube channel or blog, I've discussed it separately because of the unlimited opportunities it opens up. Not only can you market affiliate products on your YouTube channel or blog, but also any website, social media platform, and through emails and newsletters. The secret is to make your audience trust you so they can click on your affiliate links and make purchases. Once they do, then you'll be able to receive commissions which could range from 1 to 10% on platforms like eBay, Amazon, ShareASale, Rakuten, and ClickBank. Number 6, dropshipping businesses. The financial implication of owning inventory is vast. You have to incur the warehousing, packaging, and shipping costs. Well, you no longer have to incur these expenses. The dropshipping model allows you to run an online business on a platform like eBay or Amazon without owning or maintaining an inventory. So, how does it work? Well, your work as a dropshipper is to market a product and wait for the orders to come in. When they do, you need to pass them on to the supplier or manufacturer to fulfill them. They handle the packaging and shipping as well as the warehousing. How do you make money then? The idea is to include your profit in the quote that you offer the buyer. So once you pay the supplier after the customer sends the payment, you retain your profit. Number 7, print on demand. Your creative personality for creating unique designs can make you money. The secret is to run a print-on-demand business where you customize white label products like hoodies, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, book covers, and bags and sell them to your audience. You will, however, need to work with a print-on-demand supplier like Guten, Print-Aura, or Printful. With a print-on-demand business, it's easy to create a custom clothing line without owning and maintaining inventory. Number 8. In-home daycare. Starting a daycare at home is not financially involving, as most people assume it to be. Provided you have enough space at home, parents can bring their kids there and pay you to look after them. This business idea suits full-time moms and housewives who have to already stay home to take care of their families. But still, anyone who loves kids and spends most of their time at home can give it a go. However, note that some states require you to have a license that costs you a small fee. You can get the license fee from your first client's pay. Depending on location, you can charge up to $20 an hour per child. Number 9. Sell a service online. Have you heard about the term freelancer? That's when you sell a service online. Overall, there are loads of services you can sell. Most freelancers sell proofreading, writing, content marketing, and editing services. However, you can still offer graphic design, video editing, voiceover acting, web design, programming, or app development, as these are pretty lucrative. The beauty of freelancing is that you work when it's convenient, and you set your rates. 3 of the best freelancing sites for selling services are Upwork, People Per Hour, and Fiverr. But still, sites like Guru, Total, and Freelancer.com are decent alternatives. Number 10. Information product business. If you have an existing online business, you don't have to limit yourself to selling physical products. Online users are always looking for information that you can package as ebooks, audiobooks, video courses, or software to sell online. Don't worry if you don't have an existing business. A platform like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allows you to make and sell ebooks for free. Once you sell, you receive 35 to 70% royalties from Amazon. As for video courses, you can create and sell them on platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, and Teachable and receive royalties from sales. Since you now know how to start a small business with no money, what are you waiting for? Money should never be the reason why you don't have a business you can call your own. Here is another excellent video for you: how to start a small business from home. Until next time, take care.